Now go back to our Eclipse IDE and open the order DAO class to implement the list best-selling books method. Yeah, this method return a list of book, list best-selling books. Import the domain model class book. For now, just return no. And let's write SQL code to get the best-selling books based on this definition. Books have the biggest number of copies in the order details. Open MySQL Workbench program and select all rows from the table order underscore detail, and you can see we have 5 rows returned here, and this is a quantity column. You see